Are we live? Just a sec. Are we live? Hold on. Just check no. Yeah, we are live. Alright, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a SaaS. And this is day 15 of that. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And let's get started. So first, I'll start all of this backend. First, I need to start the Docker engine. Bittu, welcome, bhaiya. Hello, Bittu. Welcome to the stream. How are you? So, Docker has started. CMD. Bittu, you remember me? Bhaiya. Yes, Bittu, I do remember you. You come to my stream regularly. And thanks for joining the stream, brother. Um, Docker PS, Docker start Redis server. Okay. And Docker PS, we got this. Okay. So Docker has started, and now CD backend and npm run docker dev. Then we have npm cd dot dot. Hold on, what we did here? Okay, cd backend npm run dev. Okay, now cd npm run dev. Coder SD. Hello, bro. Hello, Coder SD. Welcome to the stream. So we have this. Anonymous. Hey, hello, Anonymous. Welcome to the stream. Jagat, Abhishek, did you create the role? Not yet. I'll create. Right now, like whatever role I have created, I think that's enough. So login test user 6 at the rate gmail.com. 6 organizations. Fine. Start the PG. Troubleshooter. Bro, I have a question. Please don't take it otherwise. Why are you vibe coding just because it will be fast to build or something else? Because vibe coded application have such vulnerabilities. Yup, I agree. I agree with you. Actually, like this is not totally vibe coding. It's like in between. I use ChatGPT to see the code structure, and if I see the code is right, then I implement it. If I see that code is not right, then I try to figure out on my own. So that's the way I do it. I don't use AI IDs directly because it gets really difficult to debug. And yes, I agree that AI code written entirely from AI, it has lots of vulnerabilities. So that's why I don't directly use AI IDs to write the entire application. And that's why I use GPT to first I see the code, I understand the code, and I understand the entire context of my code because I have written this code. That's why I understand, okay, I should implement it or not. So that's the thing. I can change anything without permission that way. Okay, anonymous. What is the name of your platform? Till now, I have not named it. It's right now. It's my SaaS. I'll give it an official name. अथर्व जोशी हेलो भैया हेलो अथर्व वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम कैपी भाई अब हर जगह थ्रिस्ट ट्रैप क्यों आता है थ्रिस्ट ट्रैप क्या होता है सर्विसेज ओके सर्विसेज so this now we go to motion Dheeraj, are you using cursor? No, I'm using VS Code. You can use Visual Code in anti-gravity. If anything problem, just ask to anti-gravity. Actually, I don't want to use AI IDs right now because I will be account. It's a it's a SaaS and real people will use it. Like I'll get try to get customers, right? So I will be accountable for the code. And if anything goes wrong, like I don't want to break the trust of the customers. So that's why I'm not using AI IDs. I'm trying to understand the context of the code and then I'm implementing it. So yeah. Okay. Jordan. Hello, Jordan. Why do you only for like 3 hours a day? Why not 6 hours? I agree. Why not 6 hours? I totally agree. But the thing is that, see, I want to push it as much as I enjoy it. Right. I don't want to make it a forced thing. I don't want to make it something that I start don't like. I want to keep it as natural as possible. So that's why I do it for only like as long as I can. Sometimes I do for 4 hours also. Cappy मतलब हर प्लेटफॉर्म में रॉन्ग 18+ कंटेंट I don't know man why this is happening like in other platforms. So okay, so this is what we have done. App. Okay, this is my code. Games SH. Hello games, welcome to the stream. Hi भाई, क्लास 12 के बाद मैं बीटेक करना चाहता हूँ, कौन सा ब्रांच प्रेफर करूँ, सी एस या ए आई एम एल? मैं तो बोलूँगा सी एस ही करो, क्योंकि ए आई एम एल लाइक एक अलग सा बीटेक ब्रांच लाइक हैज़ ए आई एम एल ब्रांच बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू आई आई टी. ए आई एम एल बीटेक ब्रांच इज देयर इन आई आई टी. Yes, several dedicated BTech. Okay. So like कर सकते हो अगर AIML में इंटरेस्ट है, you can go for it. Anonymous. Well, do you think that is safe to code your SaaS while streaming on YouTube because someone can see the entire code you write and even someone can after exploit the code? Actually, the thing is that right now I'm building the MVP version, so that's why I'm showing the code in stream. Later on, when after we build the MVP version, when I'll build the actual launch version on top of the MVP, then I'll not show the code. So yeah. कैपी सी एस और आईटी में क्या डिफरेंस? कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. मैंने आईटी किया था, बीटेक इन आईटी, ट्रबल शूटर. सी एस और आईटी में उतना डिफरेंस है जितना इंडिया और भारत में. आई एग्री. गेम्स सब बोलते हैं सी एस के बाद ए आई एम एल स्पेशलाइजेशन हो जाती है. दैट्स सेफ फॉर श्योर. ओके. कोडर यूट्यूब, हे अभी व्हाट्सअप. हेलो कोडर यूट्यूब, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. So we have this now. This is my code. Let's give the code very quickly so I understand the context. First, let's give the Redux code. Auth slice Redux slash auth slice.js. Okay. Now do one thing, summarize this entire chat in a detailed and structured way that I can feed to LLM to you later, and you can continue from the latest point. Let's do this. Rakta Bhattacharya, I'm building a Note API. This is nothing but a project to build my fundamental right now. I'm learning the authentication authorization. So yeah, practicing. Yeah, Rakta Bhattacharya, actually you are on the right track. No matter what you build, first thing is that you have to build the, like this simple application. Only then you will be able to understand complex applications, right? क्या पी भाई आईआईटी से सबको जॉब मिल जाती है. सी मैं तो आईआईटीएन हूँ नहीं, बट आईआईटी में भी सबको नहीं मिलती है. लाइक जो लोग स्किल्ड होते हैं वही लोग को मिलती है. हेलो अभी कैसे हो? हेलो जोकर फिनिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम. मैं ठीक हूँ, तुम कैसे हो? रोहित, हेलो रोहित, वेलकम टू. हेलो रोनित, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. ओके. गेम्स भाई बेरोजगार तो बस बोलने की बात है. बीटेक वाले चाहे तो खुद का ऐप और गेम्स बनाते जाए. कोड उन्होंने सीखा है और खुद से ही इनकम कर सकता है. आई एग्री. हाँ सही है. हे bro, you are right. No, I'm not an IITian. No, I'm making it very clear. I'm not an IITian. But even if I know, but this is yeah, dummy. This is okay, fine. Let's get started. Copy this. Let's do one thing. Chat GPT. I need you to. I need you to understand this chat completely. Export the actual conversation content to normal web access. Indirectly, okay. Okay, hold on. If I go here, if I share, copy link, new chat. I need you to understand this chat completely. I think it will be able to understand. Okay. Coder YouTuber, thank you for the stickers, Coder YouTuber. Okay. Yeah, static snapshot. Okay, let's do one thing. If I go here, just copy this entirely. New chat. Understand the following conversation. Let's see what we get. What are we getting here? Message too long. Okay, fine. Let's skip this one. This is my code. Let's get the code from fresh. Redux slash auth slice.ts. Redux slash organization slice.ts. Service slice.ts. Slice.ts. Slash hooks.ts. Okay. Redux slash store.ts. Fine. Slice done. Redux done. This is done. Now we have hooks or user auth. Hooks slash user auth init dot ts. This is done. Then we have provider. Provider dot providers dot tsx. Providers dot tsx. We have this. Okay, so we got this. Then this is my page.tsx. This is layout.tsx. Fine. Layout is done. Then we have dashboard. Then we have auth. Then we have auth slash login slash page.tsx. Then we have auth slash register slash page.tsx. This is done. Then we have dashboard, organization, this. Then we have dashboard slash organization.tsx. Slash organization slash page.tsx. We have this here. Then we have dashboard slash service slash page.tsx. And dashboard slash layout.tsx. Dashboard slash page.tsx. This is done. Okay, so we have done this. Now we have components, forms, login form. Then this is my login form.tsx. My login form.tsx. Then we have register form.tsx. And register form.tsx. Then we have general navbar. Then we have navbar.tsx. Then we have sidebar.tsx. Then we have organization, create org dialog.tsx. Then we have service one, create service dialog.tsx, edit service dialog.tsx, fine. Hello Deepak. Hello brother, what's up? Hello Deepak, welcome to the stream. Oh, how many years will it take to build your SaaS? I don't know. Lokesh. Hello Lokesh, welcome back to the stream. Okay, so this is done. Then protected route. Protected route.tsx. Done. Protected route is done. Then we have lib API auth. Lib slash API slash auth dot ts. Lib slash API slash organization dot ts. Lib slash API slash service dot ts. Done. Then we have auth token dot ts, axios dot ts, and it is not required. This is done. Then we have validators. Validators slash auth dot ts. Validators dash organization dot ts and validators slash service dot ts. This is my code. Now I want to okay, hold on. We have this. Just a sec. ChatGPT. Open the chat. Okay. भाई पर क्या मैं टीयर 3 कॉलेज से ही सेकेंड ईयर में कोड से स्मॉल ऐप्स या गेम बना सकता हूँ बट इनकम कैसे ऐसे करूँ स्किल है तो आप बना सकते हो और इनकम करने के लिए आपको पहले ऐप बनाना अच्छे से आना चाहिए देन यू हैव टू मार्केट योर ऐप जस्ट गिव मी द लिस्ट ऑफ फीचर्स टू इम्प्लीमेंट okay copy this to Notion implementation phase how to make this heading seriously so if I have this Then there should be a way to make this a heading, right? Logically, turn text into heading 1. Fine. Now just paste this here. Okay. Remove this. Remove this. Okay. So remove these things. Booking module. Say integrations. Payments. We have this. I started to lag. Okay. Close the chat. This is my code. This is the implementation plan that I follow. I have done one organization management, 2 service, 3 now I want the availability feature. Lokesh, service work हो गया क्या bro? Yes, Lokesh. Service has we have I implemented the service part. Right now, you can create a service like one on one mindset. This is a dedicated. This is a dedicated 60 minutes one on one mindset coaching call, and this will be 60 price. Let's keep it 2500. It's online. Create. So this has been created. Okay. Let me give you the backend of the availability module. Okay. So backend src modules availability. This is the availability dot controller dot ts. Availability dot route.ts availability dot schema.ts availability dot service.ts. Okay, then from here we can get the app.ts, the app.ts. Now let's build the availability in the availability end to end in the front end, and I have already shared the front end code with you. After MVP can we publish it, and simultaneously how many users can use it? Like after creating MVP we have to make few more changes. कि भाई प्ले स्टोर पे अपलोड करने से इनकम होगी होगी बट आपको लाइक सीधा डायरेक्टली प्ले स्टोर विल नॉट प्रमोट योर ऐप. यू हैव टू गेट योर ऑडियंस टू यूज इट. मोहम्मद नासिर, ब्रो बैकएंड के लिए कौन सा क्लाउड सर्विस यूज कर रहे हो? आई हैव क्रिएट माई ओन बैकएंड एंड फॉर फाइल स्टोरेज आई एम यूजिंग क्लाउडिनरी राइट नाउ. लाइक देयर इज नो फाइल स्टोरेज टिल नाउ. अभिषेक भाई आप कहाँ थे? आपकी याद आ रही थी. ओके, you can use markdown syntax in Notion. Okay, I'll use it. Okay, कोड विथ बंचू भाई वाइब कोड कर रहा है क्या? लाइक दोनों लाइक वाइब कोड यस एंड लाइक इट्स समथिंग इन बिटवीन. आई इवन आई डोंट नो व्हाट this like this method of coding is. Tushar, no problem. Just remember, it mostly depends on type of service you are providing because we don't want to consume more resource and keep it efficient. Okay. Okay. Germany is good for ECE. I have no idea, man. Lokesh. Okay. Right now I can create. Yes. This will break a working set. Typo important for processing day of week. Day of week. Where have I used it? Give me the full code. Redux. Availability slice. Okay. Create availability thunk. Okay. Okay, add to store component and slot dialog. Availability page. Fix backend field name. Change everywhere. Day of week to day of week. Fix the front end won't work. Next step, impact high. Slot generator plus buff. Okay. Let's go with this then. Can you show the entire flow built till now? I know it will take time. Like till now we have implemented the register, login, then test user6@gmail.com, test user6. Then we have created the organization part, service part. Now we're working on the availability part. So we are doing this day of week. Backend, what we are using. BullMQ SaaS, availability rule, day of week. Here also, this is this services. Then we have availability rule. That's day of week. Fine. So let's do one thing, that close this. Yes, slices. Now slices we have here. Slices we have redux slices, availability slice, redux slices we have here, availability 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 slice.ts. Okay, I graduated from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, and my field was IT, BTech in IT. Jordan, what does organization management do? Basically, a user can create multiple organizations, right? One user can have multiple organization, and each organization can have different services. So that's what I have tried to build, because one user can provide, for example, one-on-one online or coaching call. Then they can also provide one-on-one, like that user can also provide some other service, right? Or it can also have other organization. So first export, I have this export availability types, index, interface. Yep. So we have index, we have this will be day of week. Hold on, let's make it here day of week. We have this, then here we have this interface availability state, slots I availability array, and is loading to boolean. Done. Then const initial state slots empty is loading false. Const initial state of type availability state equals slots empty and is loading to false. Done. Which company you had worked before? I cannot name the company now because I just left it 2 months before, so that's why I cannot name it now. Viraj, Okay, Abhishek bhai, what platform you use to get freelancing clients? I use my own network. I don't use Upwork or Fiverr. I tell my own friends, families, relatives that I am able to do this. I can build softwares and web applications. So if you know anyone, kindly refer. That's it. Gumball. Hello G. Hello Gumball. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Then we have export com fetch available create async thunk availability async organization ID. Okay. Export const fetch. Okay, just a sec. Just a minute. So we are doing delete availability thunk availability slice. Okay, we are doing this. Then we are creating the availability API create and delete. Okay, fine, create and delete get organization, very good. Then we are adding it to the store. Okay, then components availability add slot dialog. Okay. Mm-hmm. Availability page. Mm-hmm. Done. Before you test, okay, this I have fixed there only. Then next high impact. Okay, let's go. Does that actually work? If maybe work for once, but I don't think we can get much clients. See, like the thing is, you have to market yourself to people. That is what is important. But your first 2 or 3 clients you will get, you have to get it from your own network. Because you only think if, for example, you are a stranger and you go to another stranger and you are paying that stranger to make something for you, and do you expect to believe that stranger without knowing him personally? No, right? And in Upwork and Fiverr, the thing is that they usually prefer people who already have experience. Export const fetch availability fetch availability equals create sync thunk ability slash fetch, and then we have this. It's an async function. It's async, and here we have organization ID of type string. Okay, organization type string availability API. Hold on. Okay, before this we need to work on the API. Redux, close it, front end lib API availability.ts. Fine. Import import API from Axios. Yes, but you already have experience. Yeah, but right now, see now, like my focus has shifted from freelancing to building my own SaaS, right? So that's what I'm trying to do now. Export const availability API get org by ID async org ID of type string. It's this. Then we have const response equals await API dot get slash availability slash org ID return res dot data. Okay, so we have this. आ गए भैया आज भी. Hello Dipanshu, welcome to the stream. Net org ID. Then we have create async. Hold on, data. No. Okay. Do one thing here. We have this validator, availability validator. Availability.ts. Import z from zod. Then export const create availability schema equals z dot object. Okay, then here we have backend src worker validation, not this one, modules availability schema. We have this. Copy this and come here and paste it here. Create availability schema, close it, and this will create availability form data. Fine. Yup, this we have done. Now we have data of type create availability form data async function. Then we have const rest equals await API dot post slash availability. Then we have to pass the data and then return rest dot data. Yep. Okay, then we have the delete async function, and this will be taking a id of type string, and this will be returning const rest equals await API dot delete slash availability slash $id return res dot data, right? FPS highlights. Hi, hello bro. Hello FPS highlight. Welcome to the stream. Ravi Sarva. Hello Ravi. Welcome to the stream. So we have this delete part. Then after this, availability slice. Okay. Then we have the availability slice. Okay. So org id string, then return await availability API dot get org by id, and here I'll pass the org id, right? This is done. Then export const create availability thunk equals create async thunk availability slash create async. Then we have data here. Data create availability form data. Hold on. Validator availability. Okay. Create availability form data, and then we have, just a sec. Okay. Ravi, I want to build a SaaS product, event management system. Okay, will it provide me revenue? Yes, it can, but you have to think about it, how to build and like what problem can it solve. Yash Raj, hello Abhishek bhai, attendance marked. How are you? Hello Yash Raj, welcome to the stream. I'm good. दीपांशु भैया आप 4 GB का प्लान परचेज किए हो क्या? नहीं, मैंने कोई प्लान परचेज नहीं किया अभी तक. हाइपर, हेलो हाइपर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. Viresh, hello Viresh, welcome to the stream. Bro, you see the code, how AI writes it, and you understand it, and then you write it in your project, right, bro? How you understand the code, bro? I understand the code because the thing is that, like, I have been, like, entire this, first I built the backend, so I know how the backend is structured. Now, when I'm working on the front end, I know what are the things that I have built and how the flow data is flowing in my application, right? So that's why it becomes very easy to understand the code. Surya codes. Hello Surya, welcome to the stream. I promised I'll come today. If you remember, haha. Yeah, Surya, I do remember. Welcome back to the stream. Okay. दीपांशु भैया आपने चैट जीपीटी का प्लान परचेज किया है क्या? नहीं, मैंने कोई प्लान परचेज नहीं किया. गणेश, हेलो ब्रो, हेलो गणेश, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. एंड गाइस, जस्ट अ रिमाइंडर, इफ यू आर एंजॉइंग द स्ट्रीम, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. Oh, now great bro, thanks Viresh. रवीश भैया एक और आइडिया है मेरे पास, प्रोवाइड अ चैट फंक्शनलिटी एट टॉप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट. या यू कैन गो फॉर इट. Okay, so we have these. Just a sec. Data omit availability, reject value, try not create data. Okay, just a sec. So in this API, what are we doing? Create data. Okay, so this thing is not required actually, we can just do it like this. Failed to create slot. Okay, reject value. Okay, let's go with this flow only. Async data we have here. By the way, I have created the Zord schema front end Zord schema for availability. We have like this. दीपांशु भैया आपने डीएसए किया था क्या? किया है तो कुछ टिप्स दे दो. मैं डीएसए पर स्ट्रिंग्स और एरे किया था. This will be day of week only. Off will be like this only. Okay. Like this. Optional. ED book, what are you building? I'm building a B2B SaaS. Don't spam. It's a B2B SaaS, appointment booking SaaS. So yeah. The app. Yes, Kushagar, I can build the app. So we have this. calm down a little, okay? Alok, if you are using Zod on the front end as well as back end, why is it protected? Someone snips the API through Node and send request from there. What? Can you explain, Alok? Okay. Stop spamming. Yep, man. Stop spamming. Don't spam, guys. On this data omit make this better as I make. Good catch. Most does get sloppy. You're doing it right by enforcing schema types. So you should not use omit a clean correct version. Give me the full code. See, I am using Zod both in front end and back end because we are using Zod validation in form. If you come here, see if I give any, we are getting this error from Zod and React hook form. We are basically using Zod and React hook form together. That's why. AAK, hey, hello AAK, welcome to the stream. Dipanshu, which laptop you're using and what's the configuration? It's HP laptop 15X. ED, sorry for this, but I'm not spamming as I'm watching you today, so I'm confused here. May you explain this? Yeah, sure, ED book, and welcome to the stream. My name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a B2B SaaS, appointment booking SaaS, where online and offline businesses can manage their appointments and payments. Rahul Sharma, hi bro. Hello Rahul, welcome to the stream. Vigan, what problem is your SaaS solving? It is like it is solving the issue of online and offline businesses of managing appointments, something like that. Is it? Using thunk. Thunk. Let's do this here. Come here, paste it. Let's see. what is the issue? Dot get org by id, org id. And here create lead. Okay, fine. So first, what have we done here? We have basically, so what have we done? Basically, yep. We don't need this actually. Yep, got this. This now. So here we have create thunk, create async thunk. ED book, thank you. Welcome ED book. Surya, what do you think about the demand for a SaaS like this? By the way, actually, I did a market research and there I found that there's a good demand. You can watch the stream of like the title is market research for SaaS. I actually did the market research on stream only, so you can watch that and you can understand why I chose this. Cycle is going on. Fetch availability. So slides as well. Slides here. So the oh wow, sure. Yeah, codes. Vegan Raj. Is it industry specific? No, it is not industry specific. ED. Which laptop are you using? I'm using HP laptop 15X. So this, now you have to add this to the store. Availability. First we need import availability reducer. Availability reducer from dot slash availability slice. We have this. Have this. Okay. Reducer. We have components. We need to create this. Availability components. Add slot dialog dot tsx. Okay, just a minute. We have this dashboard, app dashboard. new folder availability, then we have page.tsx refce. This is availability page. Copy this, paste it here. Availability page. Let's see if I come here. Availability, compiling, availability page, service, organization, service, availability. Okay. दिनेश भाई मेरा लैपटॉप स्लो हो गया और हैंग हो रहा है, क्या करूं? फॉर्मेट करो। है सेतु और लिनक्स लगाओ लैपटॉप में। हेलो सेतु, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। हैव यू सीन लाइट एलएलएम पॉपी चेन अटैक? नो, नॉट सीन दैट। शिखर, हेलो शिखर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। भाई अच्छा काम कर रहे हो आप, थैंक यू शिखर एंड वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। Vikan Raj, I asked that question about industry specific because in current top B2B SaaS like Zoho, Calendly, it is hard to customize booking flows for hospitals, saloons, custom differently. Okay, we'll think about this, Vikan. Thanks for letting me know. So we have this availability. Okay, fine. This is my availability page. Just a second, guys. I'll drink water and come back. And if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. Just give me 2 minutes. Hello, guys. I'm back. Okay. शिखर, आप इतना सीरियस क्यों रहते हो? थोड़ा हंसा करो। ओके। विश्वास, हेलो विश्वास, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। अथर्व, हाउ टू गेट rid of confusion? What confusion you are having, अथर्व? Unboxing, hello unboxing, welcome to the stream. Dinesh, do you live alone or with parents? I live with parents. ED, are you using HP 15s Intel Core i3? No, not this one. Aryan, can we get shortlisted for interview on LinkedIn for jobs? In my case, I tried for 3 weeks. I haven't received any interview call. Actually, I don't use LinkedIn. I directly go to the company website. In the career section, I drop my resume and then I drop an email. I do these things. Janil Joshi, hello Janil, welcome to the stream. Hello bro, I'm back. From which state are you from? Where do you live? Hello Janil, welcome back to the stream, brother. I'm from West Bengal, India. Where are you from, Janil? So we have this now. Just a sec. First, let's create this dialog box. So here, first use client is mandatory. Then we have here refce add slot dialog. Then here we have day, and day is of type number. Const dispatch, we are using const dispatch equals use app dispatch. Okay, then const current org id, const current org id equals use app selector s.org. Jen, I'm from Gujarat. Oh, that's nice. Ayan. So we should do cold email in careers page. Yep, that is better because I personally don't see people do get jobs from LinkedIn, but I'm not a big fan of LinkedIn, so I don't use LinkedIn. Sunil, hello Sunil, welcome to the stream. LinkedIn and Naukri doesn't help, bro. Even tried it, but no interview call till now. Okay. So current organization ID. So we have open, set open, start, set start, on time, loading, set loading. Okay. Mm-hmm. Must be before end time. Okay. Set loading, dispatch my thunk. Const open comma set open equals use state, and this will be your type boolean, and by default it will be false. Okay, then start time, end time. Const start time comma end time equals use state end time, start time, set start time, set start time, and this will be end time comma set end time equals use state comma comma set loading equals use state false. Okay, guys, please like the stream. Yeah, guys, do like the stream, and if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel as well. Okay, AIK, what's the common bug you faced now in your code when you started? Most common is the course error because we have to fix the connect the front end from back end. That is a very common error initially. Then we have to solve that. And second is port not found, something like that. Speezy. Hello, Aisho Speezy. Welcome to the stream. Buddy, can you tell me about SaaS? What is that actually? Actually, SaaS is a software as a service. It's a business model where you build a software and people pay a subscription fee to use your software. Basically, if you know about Netflix, Netflix is a SaaS. Iron. Sunil, bro, have you tried Internshala? Surya codes. Bro, I'm doing DSA every day from like 15 days. Lol, and today I forgot to give my Wednesday coding contest on CodeChef, and I kind of feel bad I ended too. That's all right. See, coding contest and all those things are just to make you feel, competitive. But if you're practicing regularly, that's okay. So set loading to false, then const handle submit. Handle submit is an arrow function. Handle submit, and it's async. Then here we have, what are we doing? If we're checking start time is greater than or equal to end time, right? Then toast. Okay, so we have to get import toast toast from at the rate कहाँ से था? Okay, hold on. Components forms login form a toast from Sonar, directly from Sonar we are getting. Yep. So copy this, add this. Okay, and if start time is end time, then we have toast dot error start time must be less than the end time. Okay, then from here we can return, and then we need to go to the try catch block. Try catch. So in catch, what are we doing? Okay, catch, we have error as any for now, toast dot error or failed to add slot. Finally set loading to false again. Then we have try here, we have try set loading to true. Then we are doing await dispatch. What was it? Create availability thunk. Create availability thunk, and here we are passing the organization ID to current organization ID, day of week from day. Then we have start time comma end time. Then we have this dot unwrap. We have this. Okay, Aryaman, hello Aryaman, welcome to the stream. Any project idea? Like, what are your skills? Okay, so we have this, just a sec. What is this going on? We have this here. Okay, copy the HTML part. First import dialog and get it from slash components slash UI slash dialog. Then we have dialog trigger. Then we have button. We have button here, button. Okay, so button will be from @ component slash not this one, UI slash button. We got button. Then we have this input. Okay, there we go. And slash component slash UI slash input. We have this here. Okay, so why are we getting this issue? The string null is not assigned to type string. Organization ID, current ID. Okay, string or null. Okay, so okay. Okay, so we have this here. I am getting this error. Add slot dialog dot tsx. How have you been? By the way, just a follow-up question from yesterday. If someone extends the duration of an appointment, will the time of the appointment ahead be automatically adjusted for, or extends the appointment like no, like basically we're taking the appointment to Google Meet. The user will link the Google Meet here, right? And then the customer will get the Google link in their email, and they can attend the meeting in the scheduled time. That's it. And if meeting is extended, then the client and the customer can handle it on their own. That's what till now we are doing. Vegan advice: 80% of SaaS apps are adding AI features. Okay, so correct feedback. So handle submit. Now now guaranteed string. Okay, so let's add this line also. If there's no current organization, this line also. Okay, yep, now this is correct. Fine, so this is fine here. Okay, so okay, so this is done. Now we need this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Okay, so this is happening. This is the page part. I mean the page part. Okay. Heath Patel, hi. Hello, Heath Patel. Welcome to the stream, brother. So availability page. We have this. Availability page. Then we have const dispatch equals after a long time. Yep. How are you, Heath Patel? Everything good? Dispatch use app dispatch. Okay, then const. Okay, no issues. So dispatch here. We have server components. This has to be a use client component. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I'm here when I have started doing projects, finished Python tutorial till oops. That's great. Hey, but I'm feeling happy and satisfied, but hard to build logic, I must say. Yeah, it will take time. You have to practice regularly, right? So we have this. then availability con dispatch, then const current org id equals use app selector, use app selector, use app selector, and this s, then s dot org. We have this current organization, then const slots comma is loading equals use app selector s dot availability. Fine. Then we create a use effect and a dependency array. So what are we doing? If this current organization dispatch, okay, so if there is a current organization, will dispatch here fetch availability current org id, and here will pass current org id and dispatch. Done. Then now if there is no current org id, will simply return please select an organization. Fine. Then we have the const days part. Const days equals this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Heth Patel, 2.38k bro, you have come a long way, and I'm here with you when you're 230 subs. Feeling happy and feeling personal, bro, and monetize ho gaya. Yeah, Heth Patel, thanks a lot for the support, man. Yeah, I do remember, like, you were one of the earliest subscribers, so it means a lot, man. Thanks a lot for the support, and keep supporting, and like, thanks a lot. We have Sunday user completed 12th currently, and I have zero interest in this, but there is no option other than this for me because I'm an average student. See, don't ever think about yourself in such a negative way. Whatever you think about yourself, you become like that. If you think negative, you'll become negative, right? So you have to think in a positive way. Heth Patel, monetize ho gaya. Yeah, Heth Patel, like, right now memberships are active. If anybody wants to become a member of this channel, where if you become the membership in the inner circle tier, you will get, like, members only live streams where I'll answer your questions, and I'll guide you personally in those live streams. So yeah, Kushagra, how to build mobile apps. Kushagra, first you have to understand backend is must, then you have to choose between React Native or Flutter. Sunday, then we have Monday, then we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then we have Wednesday, then we have Thursday, Friday, then we have Saturday. Yeah, yes, Saturday, right? Okay, then here return this part. Okay, you can just copy the HTML part. We have these things: day of week and dialog, and we have button and delete availability thunk, then toast. We have toast like sonar. We have this toast here. Okay, let's see what we get. Services availability. Yeah, we are getting this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, no slots added. Slot Sunday, Monday, services. What if there are multiple services? Because we are adding it for the organization, right? Okay, then we are selecting the current availability for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. Okay. Bobby Saini. Good night, bro. Good night, Bobby Saini, and thanks for joining. Surya Coach. I think I need to be a little more aggressive on my coding progress because I'm feeling a bit being slow in my progress these days. You have to, yeah. See, if you're feeling this feeling is coming from inside, and it's actually a correct feeling, right? So you have to validate it. You have to give yourself time, and don't get distracted by anything, and be disciplined. Form a routine. Like if you follow, like if you see my live streams, I it's my routine that after 10 p.m. I'll just have my dinner, and after 10 I'll start streaming, and in this stream I'm actually dedicating my time in a routine, right? So you have to become consistent. Rohit, bro, are you currently working somewhere or just upskilling yourself? Rohit, I had a job, I left my job, now I'm trying to build my own SaaS. Mohammad Asif. Hello, Mohammad Arif. Welcome to the stream, Mohammad Arif. Can anyone suggest the best web development course? Whether it is I will say go to Chayal Code YouTube channel. You will learn everything from there. Za, hey bro, good morning. Hello Za, welcome to the stream. Odi Maniac. Hello Odi Maniac, welcome to the stream. Are you full stack developer? Yes, I'm a full stack developer. So just a sec. We have this 9 to 5, right? Let's change the time. Why am I not able to change the time? Okay, we are able to change the time. Fine, okay. Add slot, let's make it, close it, add slot, close it, let's make it from 10:30 to make it 6:30. Save, close. Okay, so we have this timing, and if I go here, we have this 10 to, no, just a sec, 10:30 to 6:30, but here it came 10:30 to 6:30. Okay, yeah, here it is. Day of week 0. Okay, so on Monday it is 9 to 7. Okay, okay, this is working. Now let's make the UI better. Okay. Za, I left full stack. It is very competitive nowadays. I switched to Python project with what your thoughts? See, don't get scared of competition. Competition, if competition is there, it means that demand is there, right? That's why competition is there. That's why people are fighting for it because they are able to see the demand. So don't stay like don't get scared of competition. Just try to make yourself the best. That's it. Rohit, what's your age by the way? I'm 25 years old. Lokesh, he's 28. No, I'm not 28. I'm 25. Lokesh. Okay. कौन है भाई ये पैनिक कंपाइलर? कोई भी आगे रेड मारेगा क्या भाई? हाइड कर दिया. Okay, so if we come here and if we go to chat gpt. लोकेश, सॉरी थोड़ा दिमाग का दही हो गया. क्या हो गया लोकेश? आई लास्ट टाइम आई रिमेंबर यू वर एट अ वेडिंग, राइट? क्या हो गया वेडिंग में? somebody proposed you. This is my code. page.tsx, add slot dialog.tsx, make the UI and UX better. Okay, it is working. Lokesh, okay. I am Nunehaha. Hello, I'm Nunehaha. Tell me a roadmap so I can be able to get 7 to 10 LP as a full stack. I am fresher though. You are fresher, you have time. So first thing is that become disciplined. Follow a routine where you do one or two DSA questions every single day. No matter what, you do one or two DSA questions every single day. Because if you build this habit when you reach fourth year, your DSA levels will be next level. And along with that, just give 1 or 2 hours to DSA, right? And rest of the day, learn a tech stack. Like as a web development, you can go for Merge Stack, Django, or anything that you're interested in, and build projects. लोकेश आई विश, लेकिन यार बहुत ट्रैवल हो रहा है भाई, और ये बच्चे पूरा फ़ोन गेम्स इंस्टॉल किए हैं। लोकेश, आई कैन टोटली अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग। सो या यूज़र, ये सब क्या है? मैंने तो आज तक GTA ही खेला है। ओके, लेट्स से आई हैव 1.5 years. If you have 1.5 years, still I'll say that give 1 or 2 hours of DSA every single day. One or 2 hours to DSA every single day. Don't skip DSA because it's very important for cracking interviews. So give 1 or 2 hours to DSA every single day. Don't give 6 or 10 hours. No, just give 1 or 2 hours to DSA, and rest of the day, whatever tech stack you're comfortable in, understand that and build projects. Build projects and deploy them, and build a strong resume. Learn Docker, be very good in Git, then understand VPS, learn Linux, how to deploy your code. Deployment, if you can deploy your code, you have beaten 90% of your competition. Shivam creates, bro, check out my current version of SaaS interior virtual app. You can drop the link in the Discord. I'll check it after have built today's task. OD Maniac, क्या कोडिंग सीखने के लिए टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड होना ज़रूरी है ब्रो, या कोई भी स्ट्रीम हो चलेगा? हाँ, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड का ही ज़रूरत है, आप कुछ भी बैकग्राउंड से कोडिंग सीख सकते हो। जा, आई एम ट्राई टू गेट सम फ्रीलांस वर्क ब्रो, बट व्हेन आई ट्राई टू गेट सम फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स 500 पीपल ऑलरेडी पोस्ट प्रपोजल्स, आई एम रिजेक्टेड मेनी टाइम्स, दैट्स व्हाई आई स्विच टू पाइथन, गॉट lots of work. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I can understand, because in popular tech stacks competition is there, I agree. And especially as a fresher, it's very difficult to get projects. So and not this one. Okay, let's comment this. Okay, add this, commit page, add this, and here just a sec. Okay, copy this, come here, add this. Okay, let's see what we get now. Organization, services, availability. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and let's delete this, no slots added. Let's add a slot for Sunday. Let's make it 11:30 to 7. Save slot has been saved, and if we come here, 11:30 to 7. Okay, so we have this, and Monday also we can add this slot. Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Okay, so this is also looking nice. Actually, it's looking good. Rohit, why are you not currently doing any job because of competition, or you want to build your own startup or something? Actually, Rohit, I had a job. I left my job because I want to build something of my own. My goal is to build my own SaaS and build my own startup. So yeah, flanking gaming. I also want to build a website. Should I learn or just do AI? You should learn first, because just getting dependent on AI will get you in trouble if you face any errors. So that's why I suggest first understand the basics, then get into AI. Surya codes. All right, bro. I'm sorry, but I have to go now. Have fun building your SaaS. See you tomorrow. Yeah, Surya, thank you for joining the stream. And bye, bro. Have a good night. Za, you are already looking good, bro. Thank you, Za. Mohammad Arif, which tech stack is good for a fresher learning curve full stack with Java, Spring Boot, Monstack, or any other tech stack? See, Java, Spring Boot is very good, but in my personal experience, what I have seen is that in jobs, Java, Spring Boot, for fresher the jobs are quite less because everyone posts around 2 to 3 years of experience required for Spring Boot developer, right? So in my experience, what I've seen is that it's very difficult to get, like a Spring Boot developer job as a fresher. Monstack is quite easier because lots of remote startups also use Monstack. Okay. OD Maniac, which language should I learn if I'm starting today? I would suggest either go with JavaScript or Python. Choose one. यूज़र, कॉलेज जाऊंगा, 12th हो गई, बता दो कुछ जो आपके लगता है आपको करना चाहिए था फर्स्ट ईयर से. डीएसए करो, 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन एवरी सिंगल डे, एंड उसके साथ साथ एक टेक स्टैक उठाओ एंड इसमें प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. फ्लैंकिंग गेमिंग, तो कितना टाइम लगेगा बेसिक सीखने में? बेसिक सीखने में अगर आपको फुल स्टैक डेवलपर का बेसिक सीखना है तो कम से कम 6 महीने लगेंगे. अगर आपको अच्छे से एक बार बेसिक्स आपको सिर्फ एक बार सीखना है, ठीक है, उसके बाद वो नॉलेज हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगा. Omi 69. Hello Omi, welcome to the stream. Man, which tech stack go best with LLMs? Like AI is more familiar. With LLMs tech stack, Monstack is good. You can also go with Fast API and Python. Fast API, Python and React frontend. You can go with Django backend, React frontend. Atul, average in coding. Can I jump into Gen AI and agentic AI? Yeah, you can do that. Andromeda. Hello Andromeda Galaxy, welcome to the stream. Are you a developer? If yes, how many years of experience you have? In which tech stack? Are you a vibe coder? Just landed on your channel, so don't know much about you. Okay. Hello Andromeda, welcome to the stream. I'm a full stack developer. I have 1 year of working experience. I used to work in MNC. I left my job because I want to build my own SaaS and start my own startup. So that's why I left the job. I'm a full stack developer and I'm trying to build my SaaS on my own. I take help from ChatGPT only for debugging or getting the structure of the code. Then I understand the code, and if I see the code is good enough, then I implement it, or else I do it on my own. I still don't use AI IDEs because I'm trying to build my own SaaS, right? So I am actually accountable for the code that I'm writing, and it's a SaaS, and people will actually pay for it, right? So I cannot take the code for granted from AI, because from AI IDEs they can build it, but the thing is that it's very hard to get the context of the entire code, and if there's any small bug, it will take hours to debug it, or if you want to add any more more feature in future, right, then it will take a lot of time. So yeah, and welcome to the stream Andromeda Galaxy. So Tuesday 9 to 5, Wednesday 9 to 5, Thursday 9 to 5, Friday 9 to 5, Saturday let's keep it 12 to 4. 4, 15, 16. Actually it's 16, 1, 6. Yeah. 45. Okay. Save slot. And Sunday, delete. Sunday there's no slot. Okay. Fine. Let's do this. Okay. We got this. Fine. So we are able to create the availability slots for the organization. Right. Now we have to manage the bookings. Okay. So first for bookings, we need to create the public booking part. Right. Just a sec. So we have this, right? Yeah. Okay. This is looking really good. I'm actually impressed by this UI. Omi, man, you don't post much on Twitter or something, like you must build a public. Actually, Omi, yeah, I agree. I don't post much on Twitter. I actually post once the product I have built, then I post about it. Actually, see, the thing is that I don't post just the sake of posting, right? I post only to show my progress or anything. That's why I post reels on Instagram showing my work, and I'm regular on my streams. And Twitter, like I should be regular on Twitter. I agree, because Twitter is a great platform to market your SaaS. So yep, let's see. Like I need to plan it. ओडी मेनिया एजेंटिक एआई एंड एआई ऑटोमेशन का फ्यूचर कैसा है? बहुत बढ़िया है। एजेंटिक एआई और एआई ऑटोमेशन का तगड़ा फ्यूचर है मेरे हिसाब से। यूजर, ये चैनल से कनेक्ट रहूंगा। थैंक यू यूजर, थैंक्स अ लॉट। जा, डू कनेक्ट दिस टू बैक एंड और what you are planning to? Actually, we have built the backend of the SaaS. Actually, I have already completed the backend, and I built the backend of my own, on my own, using Express, Postgres, Prisma, and Zod for my backend. So we have built the backend, and now currently we are working on the front end. Do you connect this backend? Yeah, I've connected my front end with backend. I built the backend. Okay. What do you plan to host the website? Is this the final look of the this is actually the MVP version. First, basically when we are building any product or any like software as a service, first we the steps. If you learn about software engineering process, first we build the MVP, then we validate the idea, then we build on top of MVP. Right. So currently we're building the MVP first. Andromeda Galaxy. What is your SaaS about, brother? It's a B2B appointment booking SaaS where online and offline businesses can basically log in, then they can come here, create an organization. Now inside the organization, then create a service. Like for example, one-on-one mindset coaching. Then like here they got a URL. So basically, if they share this URL to the customer, customer can book the appointment with them. Then this is the service. They can create another service, and we have offline services as well. So yeah, then we have the availability for the organization, like when are the times where the customer can book a meeting. Then we have to click, then next we have to work on the bookings part. Okay, Rohit, when should we start doing DSA? After learning basic fundamentals or strong fundamentals? First, before you start DSA, make sure you know at least one programming language. Only then you can, you have to reach a level where you can convert your ideas into code, your logic to code, right? OMI69, what specialization you are thinking to learn in future? Like I'm shifting from Java to Go. Okay. See my first I build this SaaS, and if this SaaS gets like, my first goal is to build a successful SaaS so that I get recurring revenue from that. Then my end goal is to build my own LLM and try to build my own AGI. Like AGI, I know it's difficult, but that's like my side project. Okay. Muhammad Arif, bro, where you learn Chai Code paid course or free course? Muhammad Arif, I learned from the free course from Chai Code YouTube channel. I learned from there only. Lokesh, my cousin is watching too. Say hi, Abhi bro. Hello, Lokesh cousin. Hello. Okay, Lokesh, UI is good, bro. Really, font is good, and I saw something on service. I think on that wala something like that is really good. Yeah, actually service we can like this is a dashboard, right? So we can make our service active or inactive also. So these are, we can edit, we can delete and all those things. So availability part is done. Okay, now we have to work on the booking part. Okay, fine. So first let's see if we can make the UI much better. This is really okay. This is good, but do you think it is good enough for a SaaS perspective? Sure, no, not yet. Okay, clean, usable, clarity control, think paying user maybe, and okay, no control feature, edit, duplicate, bulk, apply. Okay, business overlapping slots. Okay, But we have built the overlapping slots, I think. No, actually we have built, just a second, my backend src slot modules availability slot route get available slots control. Okay, got it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, even a simple okay. Okay, so now we have here edit, add, delete. Okay, see, right now let's make this something like, for now let's keep it like this. Okay, for now let's keep it like this. Front end components, there we go. Close this, and Sunday, if I add this, now it is getting closed. Delete. Okay, fine. Slots deleted. Okay. What you use for video calling type feature in this SaaS, WebRTC or web, or what? Actually, for video calling, basically what we are doing, we will integrate like the owner's Google link, Google Meet with this SaaS. So basically, once a booking is done, the customer will get a Google Meet scheduled link in their email. Rohit, bro, I learned backend, so I'm currently learning Java. My focus is only on backend, not frontend or full stack. Java backend, so I do right or wrong. See, Rohit, the thing is that just backend is good, but you have to be very experienced in that. But as a fresher, you should go for full stack development. Jeffstorm Codes, hi, hello, Jeffstorm Codes. Welcome back to the stream. How are you? So we have this. Okay, then front end app dashboard availability page. Right now keep it like this. We have these things. Okay, with Google video call API or what exactly, bro? Actually, the business will link their Google Calendar, like Google Meet, with my SaaS. So basically, whenever a customer books a appointment, they will get a Google Meet link scheduled. For example, if somebody books a meeting on Friday 9 p.m., right, then the customer will get a scheduled Google link using which they can join a one-on-one video call with each other, like Google Meet, right? So yeah, that's it. Okay, what to choose, front end or back end? Start with back end, then go to front end, because full stack development is in demand. Just on is it like currently? Yeah, it is something like currently, but we are also providing for offline services. Basically, for offline services, we are getting the location, address, and all. And if a customer books an offline service, then the customer has to physically go there. Just they can go because appointment has been done. They will just pay, make an appointment, and directly go to that person, like the physical place. Yeah, like currently something like that. So yep. And services, bookings. Now bookings, we have to work on that. Okay, so this is done. So here what we have done, organization management is done. Make it green, service module is done, make it green. Yep. And then okay, here, yeah, make it green. Then here we have service module, and availability module is also done, make it green, done. Then we have booking module, view all booking, filter booking by date, booking status, actions, cancel client, customer management. Okay, public booking page. Service availability, pick date, enter and confirm booking. This is your money feature. Okay, fine, got it. Lokesh, so in 2 weeks pure SaaS work finished हो गया ना? Like 2 weeks pure SaaS work finish हो गया मतलब? Just on code, try integrated with WhatsApp business. It would be a great help for business. Actually, I was thinking about that. That's a very good plan. Yeah, let's add this to do. To do after MVP. Integrate WhatsApp business. Integrate WhatsApp business. Bold and make it large to here. WhatsApp business. Thank you, Jeff from Codes. Especially Indian business. Yeah, I agree. सायोन राणा, हेलो सायोन, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। सर आप कौन से कॉलेज से हो? मैंने अपना बीटेक किया था सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी से। ओडी मेनियक, व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर लर्निंग कोडिंग, जॉब फर्स्ट एंड देन बिजनेस और डायरेक्ट बिजनेस? ऐसा कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जॉब करो फिर बिजनेस करो। अगर आपको बिजनेस में इंटरेस्ट है आप डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट कर सकते हो क्योंकि आपका टाइम बचेगा। एंड वो टाइम अभी गया कि पहले बिजनेस करो फिर सीखो क्या। अभी टाइम बहुत आगे निकल गया है, आप बहुत चीज़ बहुत जल्दी सीख सकते हो। तो मैं तो बोलूँगा कि बिजनेस में इंटरेस्ट है डायरेक्टली बिजनेस स्टार्ट करो। सो लेट्स कॉपी दिस चैट। Okay, so first share, copy this, copy link. So we have copied the link, and if I go to here, if I go here, yeah, here we have this. Updated chat link. Yep, this is important. So this is done. Let's make, come here, changes. Guys, just a reminder, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So what we have done today, we have worked on the availability part. Availability feature implemented. Commit, push, code push, and if I go here in GitHub, Sayonara. Sir, I got 9.28 percentile in JEE mains general category. Please guide कर दीजिए. That's very good, Sayan. That's really good, man. अगर आपको JEE लाइक मेन एडवांस पे फोकस करो। एंड अगर आपको एडवांस के बाद अगर IIT मिल रहा है तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। IIT में घुसो आराम से, उसको अपना तगड़ा 4 साल अच्छे से दो, फिर आपका फ्यूचर काफ़ी ब्राइट है। एंड अगर IIT नहीं भी मिलता है तो कोई बात नहीं, आप NITs में भी ट्राई कर सकते हो। लोकेश, so will you finish the work in 2 weeks including payment gateway? Yep, that's the plan, Lokesh. Za, how you plan to check if people want to use or not? Actually, we did a market research and my competitors in this field are doing really well, and there are just 4 or 5 competitors and the market is huge, and so that's why I thought, yeah, we can do this. Okay, Rohit, which language is better for DSA? Python, go with Python. Just from course, do you use pre-commit hooks like Husky? No, I don't use that. मोहम्मद आरिफ, ब्रो कितना मंथ्स लगेगा एक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर बनने के लिए? मतलब उसमें सारा कुछ लेके लाइक अपना प्रोजेक्ट, रेज्यूमे बिल्डिंग, मॉक इंटरव्यूज, एवरीथिंग। अगर आप सारा चीज़ अच्छे से करोगे तो आपको मैक्सिमम 8 मंथ्स लगेगा, मैक्सिमम। अगर आप दिन में 2 से 3 घंटा दे रहे हो, आराम से 8 मंथ्स में आप यू कैन बिकम अ वेरी गुड फुल स्टैक डेवलपर. By the way, guys, this is my GitHub profile. If anybody is interested, they can check out my GitHub profile here. Link is in the description of the stream. Lokesh B, Twitter is the best for marketing, bro. I'm getting some traffic from X only. Yeah, Lokesh, I know Twitter is really good. So there we go. Ryan. Hello Ryan, welcome to the stream. Hey bro, could you please assist me through straight to the point? I am BCA, DSAI, and मैंने सीरियस नहीं लिया बिकॉज पढ़ाई मेरी हॉबी नहीं है, बट आई एम फोकस ऑन माई हॉबीज़, बट अब उससे कुछ नहीं हो रहा. आपकी हॉबीज़ क्या है रायन? what are your hobbies? Rohit, bro, but some companies only prefer DSA on Java or C++. No one prefer Python for DSA. No bro, ऐसा नहीं है. Like Google जैसी कंपनीज, गूगल हो गई, फिर और क्या क्या आता है, फैंग वैंग जो होता है, उसमें ऐसा कुछ बैरियर नहीं होता है कि आपको सिर्फ जावा और C++ में ही करना है. आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज में कर सकते हो. रायन, मेरे 4th सेम एग्ज़ाम है 5th से. आई डोंट नो इवन अ सिंगल थिंग. हर सेम में बस एक रट्टा पढ़ के पास किया था. आई वांट टू फोकस नाउ लेट बिकॉज सिर्फ 2 सेम बचे हैं. सो व्हाट वुड यू सजेस्ट? आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट जो भी बचे हैं उसको अच्छे से समझ के पढ़ो. क्योंकि अगर आपको पहले का कुछ नहीं आता तो समझने में दिक्कत होगा, बट जो चीज़ में दिक्कत आ रहा है उसको आराम से यूट्यूब में जाओ, सर्च मारो व्हाट इज़ दिस, वहाँ से सीखो, फिर वापस खुद से समझने की कोशिश करो. ऐसे करके पढ़ो. Lokesh, everyone is saying too much to me, change UI, but I'm not getting any idea. Okay, Lokesh. Yeah, see, UI, basically if you're a full stack developer now, then UI is like, you keep avoiding UI because you know UI is very easy, but it's very boring also. Lokesh, I want an Apple TV UI. Apple TV UI must है, लेकिन I'm confused. Okay. आपको थोड़ा तब you should focus on a bit more of React and all those things, and you can also take help from GPT. Kumkaran, hello Kumkaran, welcome to the stream. Is it worth to learn Java in 2026? Yes, is it worth? Java is a very powerful language. OD Maniac, which language is your main language? JavaScript and Python also, because see दिन में मैं Python के साथ डीप लर्निंग सीखता हूँ और रात को मैं जावास्क्रिप्ट टाइपस्क्रिप्ट के साथ अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाता हूँ. सो अभी तो मेरे पाइथन और जावास्क्रिप्ट दोनों ही मेन है. डू यू प्लान टू डू मार्केटिंग फॉर योर MVP? इज पीपल इंटरेस्टेड और नॉट, और यू गो ऑफलाइन टू पीपल डिड दे वांट टू यूज? Actually I will be doing marketing once after MVP we integrate all of this thing and actually the code is ready, then only I will be doing marketing, because if the code is not ready and getting customers then they will not wait much. सायन, सर आप कहाँ पर जॉब करते हो? मैं एक MNC में जॉब करता था, अभी मैं जॉब नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं करता था, मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी है. जस्ट फ्रॉम कोर्स. डू यू नो TRPC? या आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट TRPC. आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट. इट्स अनदर वे ऑफ राइटिंग APIs, आई थिंक. रायन, शुड आई गो विथ पाइथन एंड DSA एंड ट्राई टू डू मास्टर इट? 1 साल में हो आराम से हो जाएगा. पाइथन उठाओ, DSA करो और 1 साल 2 हो जाएगा. दीपांशु, भैया मैं तो Tier 3 कॉलेज से हूँ, मेरे को कुछ एडवाइस कर दो. आपको Tier 3 कॉलेज से तो एक ही चीज़ आपको करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू रीच आउट टू दी कंपनीज, एंड कंपनीज का अटेंशन आप तभी ले पाओगे अगर आपका प्रोजेक्ट्स काफ़ी अच्छा होगा, काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट्स होगा, लाइक सीरियसली. रोहित, विच लैंग्वेज डू यू यूज फॉर DSA? यूजुअली विद DSA आई गो विथ पाइथन. लीप, जस्ट अ सेक गाइस, आई ड्रिंक वाटर. Which language do you use for DSA? I Python बोल दिया. Leap. One question, bro. If I haven't passed one exam with 7 attempts, now it's 8-1. How can I score best and pass it with good marks? आप कौन सा एग्जाम दे रहे हो? Like UPSC वगैरह दे रहे हो क्या? या कॉलेज से एग्जाम? Jeffstrom codes. For your product, I would suggest Meta ads. Okay, Jeffstrom. Thanks. I'll keep that in mind. Lokesh, ChatGPT को कोड ठीक करने को बोल दो तो वो कोड ठीक करने की जगह नया कोड दे देता है, और वो हमारा कोड से भी ज़्यादा गलत होता है. एक्चुअली ये पता क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि ना जैसे मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में क्या है ना कि अगर आप अपने कोड को इंडिपेंडेंट मॉड्यूल्स के हिसाब से लिखोगे ना, जैसे मैंने क्या किया कि इफ़ यू चेकआउट माई पूरा कोड बेस, अगर मेरा देखोगे आप, अगर आप मेरा पूरा कोड बेस यहाँ पे उठा के देखो, कहाँ गया मेरा कोड बेस, मॉड्यूल आप उठा के देखो, तो मैंने ना एक्चुअली पूरा कोड बेस इंडिपेंडेंट रखा है. तो इससे होता क्या है कि अगर ChatGPT एक चीज़ का कोड दे रहा है तो वो दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. तो वो चीज़ है. तो यू हैव टू स्ट्रक्चर योर कोड वेरी प्रॉपरली, तभी चैट जीपीटी काफ़ी बहुत अच्छा है। मेरे को चैट जीपीटी से कोई दिक्कत है ही नहीं अभी तक। कभी कभी दिमाग ख़राब करता है जीपीटी, बट ठीक है, ऐसे ख़राब नहीं है। फ्री में इतना सब हो जा रहा है तो क्या चाहिए भाई। दीपांशु भैया, आई हैव स्टार्टेड डीएसए विद सी प्लस प्लस, इज गुड और नॉट? या इट इज़ गुड, नो इश्यूज इन दैट। रोमियो रोम गोल, हेलो रोम गोल, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। डू यू थिंक इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टम इज गुड मेजर? Information system is a good measure. I don't know man. Lokesh, your approach is wrong. But भैया ये कोड तो आपने दिया था ना, गलती नहीं मानता अपनी जीपीटी। सही बात है, ये तो जीपीटी का ना थोड़ा पर्सनालिटी इशू है। फोकस, हेलो फोकस, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। 10 LPA क्या 10? एक सेकेंड देखना डिस्कॉर्ड पे है। बाय द वे गाइस, यू कैन शेयर योर प्रोजेक्ट्स इन माय डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर. I can review it now if anybody is interested. They can share their projects in their Discord server. I'll check it out now. Okay. Any EC student here? Okay. Ten LPA. How can I get? I know more. Learning DevOps. Okay. You know, learning DevOps that you are on the right track. But build good projects and deploy them, and make your basics very strong. Suraj Mishra, hello brother, hello Suraj, welcome to the stream. NG Tanta, hello NG Tanta, welcome to the stream. लोकेश ब्रो ENV, ओ ठीक है, वो ENV एक्चुअली डेवलपमेंट वाला पार्ट है ना, वो दिन मैं हर दिन चेंज करता रहता हूँ. आकाश सर, where do you search for unique and impactful project ideas? Actually Akash, I do market research. मैं क्या करता हूँ ना कि मार्केट रिसर्च में जाके मैं इफ़ यू देयर इज अ स्ट्रीम इन माय like in my YouTube stream only, YouTube live stream, there's a stream called doing market research for SaaS. There I actually did market research, and then I found one product that I can build. So you can watch that stream if you want to see how I get new ideas. लोकेश चेक माइन अगेन, धुरंधर 2 का रिव्यू, कोई रिव्यू मारा मेरे साइट पर? अच्छा, शेयर द लिंक इन द डिस्कॉर्ड. और आयन भाई, जो सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए मेरे को पिछले सेम्स में, उसके मेरे को लिटरली कुछ नहीं आता. तो अगर पाइथन पर डीएसए करूँ एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूँ तो अच्छी जॉब मिलेगी. अभी 1 साल बचा है ग्रेजुएट होने में. हाँ, ये 1 साल में पाइथन प्लस डीएसए करो, उसके साथ साथ आप फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स भी बनाओ. Poshagra, how T? Reply my message. What is your message, Leap? Tell me a solid 4th year project for AI. You can try to build an AI code editor. That is a very good project. Lokesh, हाँ wait भैया या Lokesh, आराम से you can DM on Instagram. Discord. Learning coding at 26 from non-technical background. What's your thought on this? Be honest. Why you are learning? Like if you are learning to build something of your own, that's very good. If you're learning for job and all, that's also fine, but you have to be very serious about it because time is limited. X.com. Okay, I got 15K in internship, and after 2 months they gave me full offer 28K. What do I do? If you are not getting any other job, take the job. That's what I would prefer. Okay. Lokesh. Fine. Let's see Lokesh. Okay, by the way, this is a project made by Lokesh. Lokesh made this web app, Dhurandhar the Revenge. Okay, full page. As rival gang corrupt officials. Okay, nice. दिल पे जख्म खाते हैं. Leo, one question bro, I haven't passed one exam with 7th attempt. Now it's 8th one. How can I score best? Like what is your exam? Like which subject? Give DSA exams brother. Given okay DSA exams. DSA exam, then you have to work on the logic building actually. DSA exam you have to practice coding. Practice is the only way with DSA. Ryan, थैंक यू सो मच ब्रो. अब तक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस नहीं मिल रही थी, अब मिल गई. जब कंफ्यूज हो जाऊंगा तब वापस आऊंगा. या श्योर रायन. अभी बस आप आराम से डीएसए करो और प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, बस यही करना है आपको और कुछ नहीं करना है। विराज, फोकस मेरे को वो वाली दे दो, तुम बेटर ऑफर्स के लिए वेट करो। अच्छा। रोहित, ब्रो आई एम करेंटली लर्निंग जावा, सो शुड आई फर्स्ट लर्न जावा एंड मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग फंडामेंटल्स ऑन इट, और शुड आई स्टॉप इट एंड डू जावास्क्रिप्ट फॉर फुल स्टैक? सी जावा के साथ ऑल्सो यू कैन डू फुल स्टैक विद स्प्रिंग बूट if you're interested. You don't have to stop it. You can go with Java. You can learn Spring Boot also. मोहम्मद आरिफ, भैया मेरे को क्लास में प्लेसमेंट के लिए बच्चे बेटर हैं, उसमें प्राइमरी प्रोजेक्ट ई कॉमर्स है। ओके, ई कॉमर्स भी अगर खुद से कोई बना रहा है तो उसका स्किल काफ़ी अच्छा है। आकाश देशमुख, आई एम अ बीटेक स्टूडेंट, कैन यू गाइड us for selecting a powerful project? See, your project, a major, you're talking about major project, right? So in major project, it's basically you have to grab the attention of the panel, whoever the panel person is. You have to show them that okay, wow, भाई कुछ बनाया है ये, बस उसका दिमाग में इतना डाल दो। रोहित, ओके, एक बार कुछ मूड पे क्लिक करो ब्रो। मूड पे कौन सा मूड? अच्छा, लाइक, नाइस कमेंट, गेस्ट फॉर, ओके, गेस्ट अपीयरेंस, ओके। अब कौन से मूड पे क्लिक करें? डीएम्स, स्टैट्स, रेटिंग्स, एक्टिविटी लिस्ट, डायरी, लॉग, फिल्म। क्या हुआ भाई? धुरंधर नहीं आ रहा है, धुरंधर नहीं आ रहा। ओके, एवटार, एवटार भी नहीं आ रहा। अच्छा, लॉग में, ओके। सर्च, बॉर्डर टू सर्च मारते, बॉर्डर, नियर रिकमेंडेशन, कहाँ पे रिकमेंडेशन किधर है भाई? एक सेकेंड, हियर, ओके, दिस वन, हैप्पी। अच्छा, ओके, चिल, ओ नाइस, सरप्राइज मी, अच्छा, नाइस, दैट्स नाइस। ओके, जैसे सही मेरे ट्विटर में देखते क्या चल रहा है आजकल। द नेक्स्ट ग्रॉक, एलॉन मस्क, द नेक्स्ट ग्रॉक इमेजिन रिलीज विल बी एपिक, वी आर डाउटिंग डाउन। ओके, it took me 10, okay. Sam Altman, AI will help discover new science such as cure diseases, which is perhaps the most important way to increase quality of long-term life. Long-term, AI will also present new threats to society that we have to address. Okay. लेट्स सी मेरे सोशल मीडिया में क्या चल रहा है आजकल। ओके, guys, by the way, this is my social media application that I have built. You can use it. Just a sec, guys. By the way, this is the social media application that I have built. You can try it out. It is still in MVP version because I have not downloaded, I have not bought an domain yet. So yeah, actually I built this, so you can use it if you are interested. The link is in a description of the stream. I'm done for the day, almost. Exotic, I don't know DSA, but I know to build various projects like in Flutter, application ML projects, how to get job based on the projects. See, with projects, if you know project, that is also good. DSA is fine to crack interviews. You can approach interview approach companies by making a very good you can approach the companies directly by building a very good resume. You can approach startups, like remote startups, well funded startups. They actually give a very good, feedback, like offer. लोकेश ट्विटर बहुत मस्त है या ब्रो. दीपांशु भैया मैंने स्कूल में विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाइथन एआई चैटबॉट बनाया था, उसको इम्प्रूव करके कॉलेज में यूज़ कर सकता हूँ क्या? हाँ कर सकते हो, बट कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डालना है. सिर्फ एक सिंपल चैटबॉट काफ़ी सिंपल सा प्रोजेक्ट हो जाएगा. तो वही है. ऑलराइट एवरीवन, आई थिंक आई रैप अप नाउ. ओके, या वील रैप अप नाउ. जस्ट अ सेक. जोन प्लेस इग्नोर. क्या जोन प्ले, व्हाट डिड आई इग्नोर? 15 days में सीट है. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर एग्जाम. जो इग्नोर जोन प्लेस. But most of the job opportunity is for JavaScript. Yep. Tell me about your SaaS product. How much work? Tell me a unique feature. It's like a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Bye. Good night, bro. Good night. Yeah. Good night, Rahul. Good night, Lokesh. Good night, everyone. I'll wrap up now. And thank you for joining the stream. If you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. I'll see you in the next stream. And until then, take care of yourself. Bye and good night.